Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so if you watched the last video, I had mentioned that I would do a flip through of the paper pads that I had picked up from Tuesday morning, and I'll put a link right there for the video so that you guys can see that. It'll be easily accessible, but nevertheless, that's all I'm doing today. I'm just doing a quick little flip through of the My Mind's Eye in Bloom paper pads. So I'm hoping to be on here 5 minutes or less. Not a whole lot of chatting, but a whole lot of showing. All right, and so let's just start off, and I'll chat maybe while I flip. Beautiful florals. These would be great in journals, and honestly you probably could use these for some type of wall art, you know, if you have some, but you know, you like botanicals. The tones that they use here are very muted and soft. This is like a dusty, it's like a dusty pink with an antique white. There's some foiling through here, so you got the black with the gold foil. Now this speaks to me because I like the bold, but then I also like the contrast with the soft florals. This would represent my personality. You got your hard lines and you got your soft florals, so that's me. All right. Now let me flip this way so you guys can see it. But this says "Be Beautiful." Isn't that pretty? And you've got the pale pink with more of a coral color. Love with a little bit of gold foiling. And I don't know my florals. I don't know any type of, that looks like it's a rose. If you know what flower that is, drop it below in the comments. It's very, very pretty and different. It looks like it has a lot of texture to it. This isn't really one of my favorites, but I'm sure we can work with it. And this is kind of like a faded red. I love the foil, the gold foil dots on the antique white paper. Another, what would you call that? Like a spray, a rose, a bouquet. I don't think it's large enough to be a bouquet. And then you have the all black with the gold foil, love with the flowers in the back. It's really pretty. I mean, even if you wanted to use this for a scrapbook layout, I mean, I don't know if I would want to do much more than putting a picture and a little bit of detail over here or something. We'll see, as I'm sure I'll be using that for that. The black and antique white. And then, ooh, look at this. This is so pretty. I like it because it's not black and white. It's kind of gives you a vintage feel, you know. And then you have some more flowers. But this is kind of, I'm not sure what color we would call this. It's like a cream. Anyways, polka dot, antique white polka dot, and gold foiling with the yellow flower. That's pretty. And I love the rich tones here, like the garnet and violet, and that's really pretty. I like the imagery, that it looks real, but you can tell that it's not. It's just not just a picture of flowers, but it's so lifelike, even down to the water marks in there. And then we have the white, or the antique white with big, larger black polka dots. You have the antique white with the smaller gold polka dot foil, gold foiling. And then you have some more of the antique white and black. More of the contrasting lines with the soft pink flowers. And then you have, this isn't really one of my favorites. I don't know what it is about this pattern, but I don't like it. Is it? Am I the only one? I really don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like this either. I'll work with it, but I don't really care for it. I hate to say that. I wonder what they'd be offended if someone said that about their work. And I don't know, my eyes are, this is a soft pink, but it's a real faded. It is faded because it darkens at the edge. It's a hard sell. And then I think we go on to repeat the pattern. So that's it for that one, guys. You know, I normally take a while, but that was only 5 minutes, so I'll be back with the next one. Stay tuned. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.